So I bought this 4-tier basket stand from the display store and it's absolutely amazing. This gives me an opportunity to organize all of the clutter that I have. The best part about this is that it's easy to move around because of its wheels. It's totally customizable and you can use 2 or 4 tiers. Not only it can be used for organization, but it can also help you display items in your room, in your office, as well as anywhere else like the kitchen or the living room. It's so easy to assemble, it only took me about 15 minutes. When unpacking from the box, I installed the wheels first and assembled the standing part by installing the tubes. Then install the baskets to the frames. And last, install the sign clips to the baskets. I love the way all of the baskets look as well, because it looks good in any sort of environment.
Hi everyone, today we have this 5-tier stackable storage unit. This can be used together as 5 shelves, or you can take it apart and use them separately. It was a very easy assembly, it didn't take very long, so to take them apart and move them around was quite easy. This is made of stainless steel pipes and shelving, so it won't rust. As you can see, there's a very beautiful decorative design on the side. This is also designed not only to look nice, but also to have nice airflow through the shelves so that your fruit and vegetables can stay fresh longer and not go rotten. You can either put the included pads on the bottom, or it also comes with wheels, so you can roll it around wherever you want to move it, which is really handy when you're trying to cook. But it's not just for use in the kitchen. There's a lot of different places you could use this, such as the bathroom, the office, a bedroom, a closet, anywhere that you want some really nice looking storage.
Introducing 4-tier stackable wire baskets with casters from Vlish. Provide a stylish and tidy look to your home. Offers a superior load capacity that supports up to 22 pounds per layer. Constructed with durable metal with rust-resistant powder coating for a long service life. Complete inclusions: 4 wire baskets, 4 caster wheels, 4 anti-skid feet, 4 non-slip foot pad, 1 metal flat wrench. Equipped with 4 omnidirectional heavy-duty swivel wheels in which 2 are lockable, for an easy movement to use as a rolling utility cart. It also comes with 4 interchangeable anti-skid feet to keep the floor free from scratch. Use it separately or stacked on top of another, thanks to its flexible feature. Its buckle fastening and stackable design help for a hassle-free assembly. Breathable mesh grid design with open top, to maximize airflow and prevent the fruits and vegetables from rot and mess buildup. Get your 4-tier stackable rolling basket now. Your ultimate storage solution.